All right, it's summertime. We're hanging out by the pool, and of course, this lovely pool by Shasta. And I'll tell you, Skip, this is pretty cool that you guys know how important pool safety is. So you also educate people on pool safety when they're getting a new pool.
We do. That is so important when making an investment into your family like this. You want to make sure the family's safe. So one of the areas that we start with is how are we protecting all of the family that's inside from coming outside when a parent's ready for it, of course. So one of the options we have is a latch for a slider door. The door could be completely unlocked, but unless an adult reaches up here, turns this latch, and then pulls at the same time, that's the only time it's going to come open. So a child cannot do that. That's really the first line of defense.
All right, and I like too that you guys have changed up the, of course, fencing.
Well, one of the more common complaints we get is the old pool fencing. You could do a gorgeous pool and you lose the visual of it, but the safety is of utmost importance. So with this is temporary. You could put it up there, lock it in place. No kid is going to get past it. But when it's time for an adult party, or it's just you and your own kids, and you've got a good eye on them, you can take it right down, put the cap in. You could drop the gate in with no issue whatsoever, and it's just that easy.
Wow, that is so great. A couple things too that's very important. And that is, of course, having an adult out watching the kids. That's so important as the kids are out playing in the water, that we do have an adult making sure that, again, they're there watching them.
Yeah, no, it's about being engaged with the kids. Sometimes it's real easy on a Baja shelf or something to just kind of check out, but I would recommend that you are the referee of the basketball game, that you're probably reffing life anyway, because kids will be kids, so you want to be involved, but it's really about a mindset.
And this is what I love, because I just realized a friend of mine does this at their pool, and it's great that they do this, but they go, buddy system. And what that does, it kind of like gets the kids to have someone with them, and they go take a little break, and that way the parent can actually count the kids because they know what's going on.
No, it's just as much about getting the kids involved with the rules and why you have those rules. It's for their safety, but for their fun as well. So I absolutely love that idea to get the kids involved in that buddy system.
Right, go back and play now. You can go play. So again, these are all the great things that Shasta Pools teaches people about pool safety, and you want people to be very safe around the pool, don't you?
We do. Kids being safe, you can have a blast. You can have total fun. It doesn't restrict anything. You just want to be conscientious of it, because then it's years and years of memories.
So there it is. Pool safety, very important, especially during the summertime when the kids are out. Shasta Pools has all the information for you on their website. Of course, you got to stop in and get a pool for the fun.